race is going on. Course means running race is going on. You can see in a running race, A and B are participating. A and B are participating. They have started at the same time. A is running and B is also running. This is our destination. A reached the destination. A reached the destination and he has reached 28 meters ahead or 7 seconds ahead with respect to B. Okay, 28 meters or 7 seconds ahead of B. Okay, both are running in the race. Both are running in the race. This is our destination point. This is our starting point. This is our starting point. Race is going on. Okay. So now you can see B is left behind by a distance of 28 meters or by a time of 7 seconds. Okay. So B has to cover 28 meters. Okay, which may take 7 seconds. So if we calculate speed of B, running speed of B, okay, running speed of B, it is distance by time. Speed is always distance by time. Distance is 28 meter, time is 7 seconds. Okay, this is the speed of B. Now, how much time B will take to complete the race? Race is for 1 kilometer distance. Race is for 1 kilometer distance. 1 kilometer or 1000 meters is one and the same. 1 kilometer or 1000 meters is one and the same. Okay. Now, B is taking 28 meters 7 seconds time. Okay, this is the distance, this is the time with respect to B. This is the distance, this is the time with respect to B. For 1000 meters, how much time he will take? 1000 meters, how much time he will take? Okay. Now you can see as distance increases, time also increases. That is directly proportional. If directly proportional, we have tried the fraction like this: 1000 by 28 into 7. This is the question mark value. 1000 by 28 into 7. If we cancel with 4, this is 7 and this is 250. Okay. And this 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Answer comes as 250 seconds. 250 seconds are taken by B to travel or to run, okay, to run 1 kilometer race. 1 kilometer race. This is the story. Okay. So this is a rough for understanding. And this is our step 1. Step 1, we are calculating the time taken by B to run the race of 1 kilometer. Okay. Time taken by B to run the race of 1 kilometer, we have calculated. Now step 2. Step 2. What is given? What is asked? A's time over the course. How much time A is taken over the course means for running 1 kilometer. For running 1 kilometer, what is the time taken? What is the time taken by A? That is the question. Okay. So if B is taking 250 seconds, it is already given A has beat B by 7 seconds. He is running fast by 7 seconds. Okay. So A will take 250 minus 7, which is 243 seconds to run 1 kilometer race. Okay. To run 1 kilometer race or the time for course. What is the course? Running is the course. Participating in the race is the course. Okay. In the question it is asked what is the time taken by A over the course means in the running. Okay. In the running. So it is 243 seconds. This is the final answer. This is the final answer, 243 seconds. Okay. The 7 is already given in the question because A has a speed. Okay. He has completed the race 7 seconds ahead of B. So if B is taking 250 seconds to complete the full 1 kilometer, A will take 7 seconds less. 7 seconds less. So it is 243 seconds. Now I'm going to the next problem. A can run 1 kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds. A can run 1 kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds. Okay. A 1 kilometer 3 minutes 10 seconds he is taking. B, he cover the same distance means 1 kilometer only and 3 minutes 20 seconds is taken by B. 3 minutes 20 seconds is taken by B. By what distance can A beat B? You can see A is taking less time. Okay, A is taking less time. So definitely A is beating B. Beating means he is overtaking or he is the winner in the race. He is the winner in the race. Okay, he is taking less time. What distance? What distance? They are asking with respect to distance, not time. If they ask with respect to time, we can straight away tell it is 10 seconds faster. 10 seconds faster. But they are asking distance. Okay, they are asking distance. Now, what we can do here, we will go with B, case of B. Okay, he is taking 3 minutes 20 seconds for covering 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. Okay, and 3 minutes 20 seconds. Completely convert everything to seconds. Let us see. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 3 into 60. Okay, plus 20. This is totally in seconds. Totally in seconds. So 3 into 60 is 180. 180 plus 20 is 200 seconds. B is taking to complete 1 kilometer race. 1 kilometer race, he is taking 200 seconds. Okay. Now, he is delayed by 10 seconds. He is delayed by 10 seconds. How much distance he will be running for 10 seconds? How much distance he will be running by 10 seconds? Okay, how I got the delay? Because if you compare A and B, the difference is 10 seconds. If you compare A and B, the difference is 10 seconds. Okay, so he is delayed by 10 seconds. Delay by 10 seconds. Okay, if they ask if A beat B by how many seconds, we can tell 10 seconds. But they are asking A beat B, okay, by how much distance? Distance means in meters. We have to tell in meters. So we are trying to find the 10 seconds, how much distance B would have left behind. How much distance B would have left behind. Okay. So now how to calculate question mark value? 10 by 200 into 1000. 10 by 200 into 1000 is this question mark value. So 200 cancellation, it is 5. So it is 50 meters. We are trying to calculate distance. So distance units is meters, because everywhere 1 kilometer means we taken it as 1000 meters in the calculation. So we converted it to meters. So the distance is 50 meters. B is behind. Okay, A winning the race. So B is behind by 50 meters. So in step 1, this is just rough for understanding. In step 1, we calculated, okay, how much time or how much, directly, step 1, we are calculating how much distance B is running for 10 seconds. How much distance B is running for 10 seconds. Okay, that is the final answer. That is the final answer. If they ask in terms of time, it is 10 seconds, because this is the question with respect to distance. Final answer is 50 meters. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. Next problem. In a 100-meter race, A beats B by 25 meters. Okay. So A, B, difference is 25 meters in the race. B beats C by 4 meters. B is ahead of 4 meters in the running race. Okay. In the same race, find the distance by which A beats C. A beats C. For example, if I add these two equations, B and B will get cancelled. I will be left out with A minus C, which is the same as A beats C. A minus C means A beats C. I'm just adding these two equations. So here addition will become 29 meters. So the final answer is 29 meters. Final answer is 29 meters. Okay. So A beats B means it is A minus B. We can write equation. B beats C means it is B minus C. We are writing equation. In the same race, if it is a different race, we cannot apply all these equations, because it is same race. Okay. Same race means the distance is 100 meters. Same race means 100 meters only. Already A and B are compared, B and C are compared. Finally, they are asking comparison of A and C. Finally, they are asking comparison. Okay. A speed is 8 km per hour. A has given a chance of 5 meter. After that, A is starting the race. After that, A is starting the race. And this is the destination point. This is the destination point. And A has reached the destination 15 seconds ahead. 15 seconds before. Okay, A is beating. A is beating B, means he has win the race. A win the race over B. Okay, by 15 seconds time. By 15 seconds time. Already he has given advantage of 5 meters. So B has to run 95 meters only, but still he is not winning. A has win the race by time also 15 seconds. Okay. So now we will go with the story of B. We will go with the story of B. He has run 95 meters. He has run 95 meters. Okay. In the race, A runs 8 kilometer per hour. A runs 8 kilometer per hour. Okay. Still beats. He is 15 seconds. He is running 95 meters. And what is the time taken? Let us. Yes, first I will go to story of A because we have the details of A. He has run 100 meters, which is the distance. He has run 100 meters, which is the distance. And the speed is 8 kilometer per hour. This is the speed, 8 kilometer per hour. If you change the speed to meter per second, if you change it to meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. You have to multiply with 5 by 18. This is the speed of A. This is the speed of A. Okay, in meter per second. If you simplify this, 4 2s are and 4 9s are, this is nothing but 20 by 9 meter per second is the speed of A. 20 by 9 meter per second is the speed of A. Okay. And now we have the distance, we have the distance, we have the speed. How much time he is taking? How much time he is taking? Time is distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. So it is 100 divided by 20 by 9. Okay. So this 20 will get cancelled. And 5 into 9, it is 45 seconds A is taking to cover the 100-meter race. 45 seconds A is taking to cover the 100-meter race. This is step 1. We are calculating time taken by A. Okay, time taken by A to run the race, to complete the race, 45 seconds. And it is also given he is beating B by 15 seconds. He is beating B by 15 seconds, which means what is the time taken by B? In step 2, what I am trying to do, step 2, time taken by B, okay, to complete the race, is nothing but A is taking 45 and B is 15 seconds delay. So 60 seconds he is taking to complete the race. What is the race he has run? 95 meter only. 95 meter only. He is taking 60 seconds time. He is taking 60 seconds time because A has given 5 meter advantage. Okay. So 95 meters only he has to run B. And he is taking 15 seconds extra compared to A. So A is taking 45, another 15 extra for B because he failed in the race. 60 seconds is the time he is running 95 meters. Now, what is the speed of B? They are asking speed of B. Okay, speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance by time. We know distance is 95 and time is 960 and this is in meter per second. 95 by 60 in meter per second. If they are asking in kilometer per hour, because A speed they have given in kilometer per hour. So if we want to convert to kilometer per hour speed, if you are converting to kilometer per hour, multiply with 18 by 5. Multiply with 18 by 5. Higher unit, so multiply with 18 by 5. Cancellation, this becomes 5 ones are, 5 19s are, here 6 10s are, 6 3s are. Okay, so we are left out with 19 into 3, okay, divided by 10. 19 into 3 divided by 10. So it is 1.9 into 3. 1.9 into 3. So 27, 5. So 5.7 kilometer per hour is the final answer. 5.7 kilometer per hour is the final answer. Okay, this is the speed in kilometer. Okay, so B's speed in kilometer, final answer is 5.7 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Because A speed in kilometer per hour, we are calculating in kilometer per hour. In meter per second means it is 95 by 60. You cancel it 19 by 12. 19 by 12. You simplify further. 1 point, okay, 1.5 will come. 1.5. Okay, meter per second.